Guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a 2002 Chevy Silverado 1500 Z71 4-wheel drive, regular cab, short bed, Stepside. That's a mouthful. I got Mike here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Mike?
Very good, very good.
Man, some transformation on this thing.
Phenomenal,
Woo!
phenomenal
Unreal.
truck.
It's got to be what, Tacoma, as they call it, cement, right?
Yeah, cement color. It's kind of notes.
Mm-hmm.
It's matte. What do you call it? I want to say.
It's not matte, but it's a new color.
It's got these.
It's a Tacoma paint job. It's what, 3-4 weeks old?
Yeah, that's it. It was just done.
Mm-hmm.
Everything was done on it. It's got new rockers welded in, brand new. Brand new wheels, tires, brand new exhaust, brand new air conditioning, brakes, brand new rear end gears, new cover.
What kind of rear gears?
I got low rear so you can cruise with it.
Yeah.
She'll cruise at 75 at 2,000 RPMs. So we can do phenomenal on gas.
Sure. Exhaust sounds great too. It's got like a rainbow tip.
Yeah.
Really nice. Were they Flowmasters?
They're Flowmaster D10s.
Mm-hmm.
I can rev it up a little bit for you if you want to hear it.
Yeah,
it's not loud to you, you know, inside, nice. But it sounds nice from outside. People hear it go by.
With the flares on it, really nice.
Runs straight.
Mm-hmm.
Everything works. No lights on the dash. Even the lighter still works on it.
Great. Custom grill up front. It's got
5.3.
Turn the lights on. They were
V8,
like a blue, right? Custom headlights. Yeah, really cool. Oh, the fogs? They were on. There you go. That looks nice too. Did like a nice smoke lens on it. It's got the rain guards.
Cargo, they're white LEDs.
That looks great.
And I have them in the back under the tailgate also. Let me step on. And let me just do a left.
Oh, cool.
Right. Brakes.
And then the brake. Rev it up a little bit. Sounds nice.
Yeah.
So you got the 5.3 in this one?
5.3, plenty of pep.
Steps.
4-wheel drive works nice. Power steering, tilt steering, power windows.
Power locks. All-weather mats.
Fully step-ups. The seats match the paint, two-tone.
178,671 and what, 45?
We changed, yeah, I put an engine in at 44. Really nice. Compression's great. You can see the oil pressure.
Yep.
Everything is high on it.
Got a Sony deck with Bluetooth.
With
aux in.
Remote control.
Oh, remote control too.
AM, FM, Bluetooth setup.
Cool.
You also have your compass and
automatic dimming rearview mirror with a compass and temperature outside.
Yep. Cool. Cargo lamps. The lighter still works on it, actually.
Cool. Leather seat covers. They're cloth underneath in nice shape, right?
Yes. No rips. Nothing.
Okay. Cool.
The console picks up so you can see 3 in the front if you want to.
Oh, okay. So it's a split bench.
Right.
Cool.
You got power seats too.
Cool. Let's check out under the hood.
Okay. Got this open.
These are 265, 65 R18s all the way around.
I didn't want to go too big because I still want a nice ride on the highway.
Yeah, sometimes you go too big and they get noisy, you know?
Yeah, they make sounds, you know, you get that whirring.
Yep.
I hear nothing in there with the stereo because it's a small cabin. It heats up like boom, the air conditioner freezes you out.
Nice air. Air's all brand new, right?
Brand new compressors, everything.
Looks like you get a new alternator.
Yep, new alternator.
Cool, let's take it for a ride.
Okay.
tonneau cover. He also had it completely undercoated too when he had the paint done. Light.
What's that?
Oh, nothing. I thought you had a light tint on the window, but you don't.
The back window's tinted. I myself don't like
Tinted windows?
tinted windows when I'm turning on the left side for myself.
Yeah.
I'm getting older, so I have a problem with night vision.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they would be
Oh, it's a little
tinted.
safer, yeah. Plenty of power.
Oh, yeah.
I like the look of a short box,
It's easy to
regular
park,
cab.
it's easy to turn.
Yeah.
That's the good thing about it. You have the, complete vision all the way around.
All the gauges work.
All the gauges work. I got the car. Shut that off. That a little longer. I'll show you. I'll bring it up
Well, it's
just to give you an idea. What's that?
big bump.
Takes it.
Make a left here.
It's made for that.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks again, Mike, for showing us your truck.
You won't be disappointed.